In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to KeyBank Business Credit Card Review 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to evaluate KeyBank's business cards, compare them against alternatives, and decide whether one fits your company's spending and goals. First, understand the KeyBank business card options available in 2025. Start by confirming the current lineup on KeyBank's site or at a branch, since names and features can change. Note whether the cards focus on cashback, points, low interest, or balance transfers, and check eligibility basics like business structure and documentation. A clear picture of the variants helps you avoid analyzing the wrong product for your needs. Next, evaluate the key terms and costs. Look at APR ranges, including any intro APRs, and how they adjust to a variable rate. Scan all fees, annual, balance transfer, cash advance, late, return payment, and foreign transaction. Review the reward structure in detail, the earn rate, bonus categories, monthly or annual caps, and whether rewards expire. For welcome bonuses, verify the spend requirement, the timeline to qualify, and how the bonus is paid out. If you'll issue employee cards, confirm whether they're free, whether you can set category or transaction limits, and what reporting you get. Finally, check protections such as $0 fraud liability, purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel coverage if applicable. Read the terms and conditions. Small clauses can change the real value. Then do a comparative benchmark. Line the KeyBank card up against a couple of competitor business cards with similar annual fees and reward types. Compare APR bands and fees, rewards rates and caps, bonus offers, redemption flexibility, employee card controls, fraud and dispute handling, and customer service reputation. Use a month of your actual spending to model expected rewards across cards so you're comparing real outcomes, not marketing. Decide fit for your business by matching the card to your spend mix, payment habits, and team setup. If you pay in full, rewards value matters most. If you sometimes carry a balance, interest costs can outweigh points. Consider whether you need multiple employee cards, category controls, or robust statements for bookkeeping. Run a quick break even. Rewards minus fees versus any projected interest. Now score it and give your final verdict. Weigh rewards, costs, controls, protections, and service according to your priorities, then assign a simple score and decide. Overall, for 2025, KeyBank's business cards look like solid mid-tier options. They're not top of the class, but they offer good value for businesses wanting a reliable, no annual fee setup with decent rewards. If you're following along on screen, click into the Decide Fit checklist to map your numbers, then click into Score It to tally your result and finalize your choice.